Hello. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Anthem MRX 548K AV receiver. We'll cover its features, how it performed in our tests, its direct competitors, and the best speaker options to pair with this receiver. We'll also explore whether it's possible to fully optimize this receiver, how to do it, and which components are ideal for extracting 100% of its potential to build a Dolby Atmos equipped room. If you're looking to build or upgrade your home theater system, this video is for you. So, stick around until the end. Before we start, if you haven't done so already, we'd like to invite you to subscribe to our channel. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps us continue making more content like this. Thank you for your support. The Anthem MRX 548K is part of Anthem's MRX series, known for delivering excellent sound quality and audio-visual processing. It's designed for high-performance home theater systems and supports video signals up to 8K, making it future-proof for the latest display and sound technologies. With advanced processing architecture, powerful amplification, and the renowned Anthem room correction, ARC, Genesis, the MRX 540 is a high-end option tailored to satisfy even the most demanding users in terms of sound quality and precision. Here are the technical specifications. Output channels, 5 amplified channels with 2 outputs for active subwoofers. Power output, 100 W per channel at 8 ohms, from 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Video support, 8K at 60 Hz, 4K at 120 Hz, supporting Dolby Vision, HDR10+, HLG, and ALLM, Auto Low Latency Mode. Audio processing, supports Dolby Atmos and DTS with 7.2 channels of processing, plus preamp outputs for external amplification. It also supports Dolby True HD and DTS HD Master Audio. Connections include 7 HDMI inputs, 6 rear, 1 front, with HDCP 2.3. 2 HDMI outputs, 1 with eARC. 2 optical inputs, 2 coaxial inputs, 5 analog inputs, and USB port. Room correction with ARC Genesis system, including a calibration microphone. Integrated Wi-Fi and Ethernet, compatible with AirPlay 2, Chromecast, Spotify Connect, and Bluetooth. Dimensions, 17.3 inches wide, 6.5 inches high, 14.8 inches deep. Weight, 30 pounds, 13.6 kilograms. Sound test performance. The Anthem MRX 548K stood out in several key aspects. Crisp sound, excellent representation of mid and high frequencies. In complex soundtracks, such as action movies, the MRX 540 maintains clear separation between channels and a well-defined soundstage. Deep and precise bass, even at high volumes, the bass remains immersive and distortion-free, especially when 2 subwoofers are connected, enhancing the home theater experience. Room correction. With one of the best room correction systems on the market, tests show that it effectively adjusts the speakers based on the room's acoustics, eliminating unwanted resonances and balancing frequency response across the board. Dolby Atmos. In Atmos configurations, the MRX 540 creates an immersive experience, with smooth transitions between speakers and a realistic 3D soundscape that wraps around the viewer. Can you achieve an optimal Dolby Atmos setup? While the Anthem MRX 540 features 5.2 amplified channels, it can process up to 7.2 channels with the help of external amplification. To create a 5.2.2 Dolby Atmos configuration, you'll need to add an external amplifier for the 2 additional height channels. Here's how to set up Dolby Atmos. Use the 5 channels of the MRX 540 for the front speakers, left and right, center, and rear surround speakers, and connect up to 2 subwoofers. Add an external amplifier to power 2 height or ceiling speakers, necessary for the Dolby Atmos experience. Recommended external amplifiers. Anthem MCA 225 Gen 2, a high-quality stereo amplifier that integrates perfectly with the MRX 540, offering 225 W per channel, ideal for the 2 height channels. Emotiva BA 150, an affordable option with 75 W per channel, sufficient for powering height speakers in an Atmos setup. Outlaw Audio Model 5000X, a multi-channel amplifier offering 120 W per channel, providing flexibility for future system expansions. Best speaker pairings, in no particular order. Monitor Audio Silver Series. These speakers offer clarity, detail, and a neutral sound profile that pairs well with the MRX 540's clean output. Klipsch Reference Premier, known for high sensitivity and dynamic sound, this series is ideal for larger rooms and those who prefer a more impactful sound. Paradigm Monitor SE Series. As Anthem's sister brand, Paradigm speakers are perfectly tuned to pair with the MRX 540, delivering balanced and dynamic sound. For height or ceiling speakers, you have 2 main options. In-ceiling speakers. Monitor Audio C265, built-in ceiling speakers that deliver a seamless Dolby Atmos experience with a discreet design and wide sound dispersion. Klipsch CDT 5800 C2, ceiling speakers with pivoting tweeters, allowing you to adjust the sound angle for more precise Atmos placement. Upfiring height speakers. Klipsch RP 500 SA, these height speakers are designed to reflect sound off the ceiling, creating a 3D Atmos effect without needing to install ceiling speakers. ELAC Debut A4.2, a more affordable option that also uses upfiring technology to reflect sound for an immersive experience. Direct competitors. Denon AVR X3700H. Pros, more channels, 9.2, making it more flexible for advanced Atmos setups. Cons, Odyssey room correction isn't as advanced as Arc Genesis. Yamaha RX A6A. Pros, 9.2 channels and advanced processing with Cinema DSP HD3. Cons, YPAO room correction isn't as precise or customizable as Arc Genesis. Marantz Cinema 50. Pros, supports Oro, 3D, and additional immersive format. Cons, warmer sound signature, less precise than Anthem in mid-high frequencies. Ideal room size. The Anthem MRX 540 is best suited for medium-sized rooms, between 215 and 375 square feet. Its power is enough to fill these spaces effectively, and the Arc Genesis system adapts to the acoustic characteristics of such environments. For larger rooms, consider upgrading to the MRX 740 or adding external amplification for more power and additional channels. Pros. Excellent sound quality with emphasis on detail and precision. Industry-leading Arc Genesis room correction system. Supports 8K and 4K at 120 Hz, ready for next-gen formats. Dolby Atmos and DTS support. Sturdy build and elegant design. Cons. Only 5.2 amplified channels, limiting advanced Atmos setups without external amplification. Higher price compared to competitors with more built-in channels. Doesn't support Oro 3D, which some users may prefer. To summarize, the Anthem MRX 548K is an ideal AV receiver for home theater enthusiasts seeking high-quality, precise sound. With its powerful Arc Genesis room correction and ability to process up to 7.2 channels, it's perfect for medium-sized home theaters with Dolby Atmos support. While its limited amplified channels may be a drawback for those wanting more complex setups without external amps, its excellent sound and video performance, along with its premium build quality, make it a strong contender in the high-end AV receiver market. Leave your comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and click the bell so you don't miss our future videos.